Most people are horrified when they realize just how easy it is for a competitor to steal all of the keywords from their Google My Business. Most people are horrified when they realize just how easy it is for a competitor to steal all of the keywords from their Google My Business. Literally all a competitor has to do is copy the URL of your website and it's game over. Because the next thing they're going to do is paste it into a tool like this, which will instantly show them each and every keyword that your website is currently ranking for on Google. But this tool will show them a lot more than that. It's also going to show them how many monthly searches each one of your keywords gets and exactly how much it would cost per click to run ads on Google. It's also going to show them exactly where your website ranks for these keywords. But the scary thing is most of your competitors are probably going to take it a step further than that. And what they're going to do next is put one of these stolen keywords into a keyword research tool. Because what this tool is going to do is show them hundreds of other keywords that they can target to bring traffic to their website instead of yours. So all they have to do is find an easy one that gets a ton of searches and boom, they're outranking you.
Make sure this doesn't happen to you.